All right, guys, here's a new update for you. Thanks for following along. And guys, all of you guys that are leaving awesome comments, I really appreciate it. Olivia and I are we're so blessed to have awesome subscribers. And you guys are just really making this journey just a lot of fun. So thank you so much for that. And those of you that are watching and not leaving comments, I know who you are. And thank you for watching. I appreciate it. So I want to give you guys a quick little update here. We are finishing the kitchen. And let me show you behind me here. Olivia, I'm gonna brag a little bit. I have the best wife in the whole world. Better than all of you other wives out there. Except maybe Heather from Cause We Can Farms. She's milling her own wood. Olivia's not milling her own wood yet, but I'm going to show you what she's doing. She's doing all of these cabinet doors and drawers and all of this stuff. And there's the farmhouse sink, you guys. Olivia put all of those doors on herself. I didn't help her. And she put all the drawers together and all that stuff. So let me show you guys the farmhouse sink here. We finished the farmhouse sink and we got it in. There's the faucet. We have wanted this farmhouse sink forever. And oh my gosh, it came out absolutely fabulous. And you guys, I don't know if you guys can tell or not, but we sanded and sealed the countertops. And they absolutely came out amazing. So there is the kitchen. Sorry about the wobbling, guys. Kitchen is 90% down. We have 2 more cabinets to put together. They're going to go right over there, and that's where the refrigerator is going to go. And then the kitchen is Olivia's dream kitchen that she has wanted forever is going to be just about done. Oh, right in here in the middle, there's going to be a center island with the butcher block countertop. So let me show you guys the butcher block really quick. Let me give you guys a close-up on this butcher block. And let me see here. Let me try and get you a better... Let me see if I can get you guys a better view. So there is butcher block countertop. And it was more of a almost a white before, but then we put this sealer on it. So what we were worried about with butcher block is this is the first time we've ever done butcher block. And you can seal them with urethane or polyurethane or whatever. The only problem is if when you go to do food on it, if you scrape it or whatever and you get a little bit of that polyurethane, you don't want to put that in your food, right? So here is something that I found at Ganal Lumber, and it's called Easy Do, and it is food safe. So I would love to leave a link in the description, you guys, but since I don't have my desktop, I can't do that very well. So here you guys go. You guys can, if you guys want to see that, you can screenshot that. And this is food safe wood sealer, and it's made specifically for butcher block countertops. And it absolutely is stunning how good this came out. So anyway, it is Friday, and we're going to go into town where I can get some reception and upload this for you guys. There's an update for you. We're continuing to finish the kitchen. Let's see, what else? Once this is all done, we can move all of our dishes in and all that good stuff. We're going to go into town and pick up a part for the old girl outside. Got to get a new voltage regulator, and it came in. So I'm going to go pick that up as well. And then hopefully I can start doing some road repairs this weekend. So, but yeah, guys, thank you very much for all of your fantastic comments. I can't believe that it's been 2 weeks already, and it has blown by. It is just absolutely amazing how fast time has gone, as busy as we've been. Trying to keep you guys updated and let you guys know what we're doing and join us on the adventure. So, anything you want to say, honey?
Please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up.
There you go. Thanks for watching, you guys. We'll see you guys in the next video. Try and give you guys an update every 3 or 4 days here when we get into town. And there's my awesome wife. She is doing awesome. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one.